second camera. Five naan. Naan ye hai wo parathe. We changed the restaurants, guys. There was a lot of wait on the other one. Iska kya naam hai? Miyan Ji. Miyan Ji. This is our last full day in Dubai, and it's gonna be a camcorder vlog because I just got one.
It's a cami.
My camcorder is called a cami.
Mark Henry. Mark Henry.
Yerevan. Hi, Carl.
Using the
Me as a coffee. This is how you know I've arrived at the party.
at the function.
At the function. We are on a hunt for date syrup. But no one understands that we're asking for syrup, so they keep sending us to the date section, but that's not what we're asking for.
Buenos dias, I think.
Bueno.
Looks kind of hot. We had pie, nihari, chanas for breakfast, but they didn't have coffee at their place, and they didn't even give me milk for me to make coffee for myself. So I got Tim Hortons, and this is probably our last Tim Hortons. सब देख रहे हैं मुझे vlog बनाते हैं. We're wasting our time because 4 बजे हमें global village जाना है, and we don't have anything else to do, and we don't want to go back home because that's just waste of time. So now we're just sitting. इधर से जो मारूंगा इधर से साइन के ऊपर से बेंच पे बैठ जाइए.
चल अब करके दिखाओ. साइन के ऊपर जंप कैसे मारोगे? Thank you. Basta so funny. We are in Turkey.
Yeah, I don't know how Turkey looked.
I mean, the roads kind of do.
There's no one smoking cigarettes, so it doesn't look Turkish.
My ops better watch out, bro. Better watch out.
Bro, that's literally shit.
Okay. Oh my god.
Wait, it says there's no...
I don't know if this is Pakistan. How is this Pakistan?
You know, it's getting more Pakistani vibes right now.
Okay, yeah, no, it is. Now it is. These
Some of them just have the same things.
green and white chairs really put it all together. That's what, yeah, that now we know we're in Pakistan because the fucking green and white chairs.
That's so cute.
Careful, I don't want to pay for this.
You won't.
So crowded, but I just to come in.
Yeah, Korean skincare.
Of course you have to.
Can I film? Of course. Okay, thank you. Hi. Oh, that's all right.
Yeah.
Guess how much it's for?
200.
325.
I was closer.
You can make it for cheaper.
Literally, you can get this kapra in boxing. Yeah, it's like flowing. What is that? The what? What is wrong with her?
I feel like that's the type of mannequin you want to slap. Yeah, try it.
What is that?
What is it?
This blackberry juice.
Blackberry juice? Thank you so much.
It's sour. It's nice.
It's good.
Yeah.
Freeze dry.
Yes.
We're just like taking everything and running away.
If you're giving souvenirs, why not?
Get a mango one, yeah?
Yeah, it is.
Wait. There's literally a war going on. Her Canadian ass just went, oh my god, ruffles! I
used to love them.
I know, me too.
Oh my god, they have Mr. Beast things too.
Shah Khan is coming to Global Village today to talk about Bollywood. Now everyone's just talking about him. That's cool. Big forehead. Okay. Azan ho rahi hai, but also we went for the rides. It is crazy in there. So we're just going back. We're gonna wait for the shows. I don't know, he likes cheesecake.
Don't like cheesecake?
I don't.
It's all right.
Konnichiwa.
Wakaribishwa Afrika yetu, hakuna matata. سبحانه يا اخي وصرتوا كبار وصار ينقل لكم اشعار بكره تنقل الاسرار بكره تنقل الاسرار وصبرك بالك دوار نسيت.
That's where we always end up. I get overstimulated in malls, but this spot, I'm having so much fun here. I don't want to leave, but these guys are all tired, so I want to watch shows. I want to watch more shows. That was so much fun. That was so cool. This is the namaz breaks and then it starts again. And
Shah
now,
Rukh Khan is about to appear in 1 hour.
oh yeah, Shah Rukh Khan is coming.
There's her. And then, when the night calls,
places like this. I think I've already talked about it. Are you zooming in on me? Okay. Well, I'm sad. And Shah Rukh Khan is coming. He was coming to meet me.
He was coming for what?
Coming to meet me.
He was coming for what?